Oh my goodness. I just got in from battle. It is raining, lightning, thunder. Odin's mad. But I'm here, and I am going to be making, well, we'll see what happens. I think it would be like a shepherd's pie. We are gonna start with, not a Norwegian oven, but a Dutch oven. And to it, we are going to add, if I don't drop anything, some ground beef. So we are going to add our ground beef. I browned it. If you do not have a Dutch oven, then you can use a casserole dish. You can use whatever dish you need to use. I'm going to add some peas. Let them roll off the table. They're frozen. Oh boy. And then we're going to add our green beans. Now you can add whatever you want as long as it's keto. We're going to stir it in, make it look really good, and then we are going to add cream cheese. You know, we have a Varte. I could use a Varte. Wait one. I'm going to add some Varte. I don't know. Half a stick. Wait. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to make a dough that goes on top. Hey look, a dough that goes on top. See the description below for more details. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to kind of flatten it out. I'm going to put it over top. All right, that looks good. Just mush it. Okay, let's see what I've done. Oh, that is burning hot. Oh. Oh. That looks absolutely divine. Okay. Here's the taste test. Oh, look at that. Oh, hey, look! That magically appeared. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be hot. Hot. Oh. Oh, that's, That is divine. It is hot, but it is divine. Skål.